What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to KHAIR'S Garage. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Got the Subway with it. Another day she's switching it up. But shit, let me get a foot long pause. Pepperoni, yep. Salami, and then no ham. I want to do the chicken. Yep. Alright, y'all, so right here I was listening to music, so I can't even play the full sound. My bad. But yeah, we was in traffic just riding, and a little 5'7" pulled up next to us wanting some smoke, so I had to give it to him. He did decent, but then again, he was pretty much staying in one lane while I had to swerve back and forth. But as you can see, man, we was just going, having a little fun on the road, man. That 5'7" is a decent little car, man. Y'all ain't gotta have no Scat, Hellcat, nothing like that. Just something that got a little power behind it. But yeah, he did good, man. He was keeping up. But then in the end, you know, I had to pull off on him real quick. And then he had to go to his exit. But yeah, have fun in traffic, y'all. We're gonna see how many horsepower we can get in this tunnel. Let's check it out real quick. We're gonna let that little slow Toyota get up, and we're gonna take off. All right, let's run it. I know y'all boys hear that downshift, my dog. That bitch a beast, ain't it? Look at that SRT, boy. What? That thing hard. We definitely finna line lock it now. Let's run it. Getting scared. That bitch took off, did Yeah. Hey man, that SRT goes stupid. Get y'all one ASAP. Check out this SRT Grand Cherokee right here though. That bitch hard too. God damn. I don't think she's trying to get active with it though. But that shit is tough. What you want to do? Let's go to the light. Alright. Me neither. That boy got off of my ass. That all-wheel drive ain't no hoe. Hell yeah. I mean, your shit too. I like that. For sure. That SRT go crazy, y'all. That all-wheel drive. I know y'all seen my shit start getting sideways on me a little bit. That shit tough though. I like that. Y'all see it? Downtown ATL, man. And we got that Atlanta sky view. Like a Ferris wheel, you can see the whole city. It's tough. But yeah, that SRT tough. I like that. So it's basically the Scatpack in the Grand Cherokee form. That shit got off. That bitch said, hey, that's the only thing about having that rear wheel drive. You're gonna spin out as soon as you tap that gas. All right, y'all, so we getting a quick little wash real quick. Just a quick soak down and just scrub a little, but we're not gonna go too much into detail on it. But this weekend we will come back and get an official wash and a ceramic coat. So we're gonna stay tuned and we're gonna get to that. That's my guy Scott, man. I'm gonna drop the info down for him below, but when we come back this weekend, you'll see the official, like, everything, detailing and whatnot. So when we get to that, you'll see how that is. But this is just a quick little washover, so it's nothing too serious, but this weekend, y'all gonna see what he really could do. All right, y'all, it was a little dark over there, but this what we looking like after. It's still kind of wet because I ain't dry it off, just because it's gonna get another wash soon, so it don't really matter. But yeah, this is what we looking like. No more bugs, and get us a better detailing soon. So just stay tuned.